Right there, right there.
Ready?
Wait. So we got, put your hand up if you're Moi Moi.
Moi Moi.
Put your hands up if your name is Moi Moi.
If you know who Ray J,
Put your hands up if your name is Ray J.
the famous singer.
Okay. Ray J versus Moi Moi.
Ray J versus
On your
Moi Moi.
mark, get set, go.
Hey, hey, come on, man.
Hey. Nice. Come back. Guys, come in. You guys say your guys' name, introduce yourselves. You gotta say your name. What's your name, bro?
Moi Moi.
One more. What grade are you in? Second grade. What's your name, bro?
Ray J.
Ray J. What grade are you in?
Second.
Second grade?
What the heck?
Oh, you're in the same grade?
Yeah. I'm supposed to.
No way, second grade? Okay,
Yeah.
rematch. Go again. Rematch. This doesn't add up right. Rematch. Scoot back a little bit. Oh. Come on.
Ray J versus Moi Moi.
Ray J versus Moi Moi.
Tryout.
2025 tryout for the Olympic.
Yep. 2026 tryout for the Olympics.
5, 4, on your mark. Get set, go.
Go!
Fast. Run fast.
Be yourself.
Good one. Was that part 2? Yeah? That's Ray J. That's Moi Moi. Okay, this time it's gonna be longer. Okay? Go all the way down to that, like where that rock is. Like, go down. Last one is gonna be, I'm gonna move. You guys breathe first. Walk and breathe so you guys don't get tired.
Hey. Walk and breathe. Breathe well, man. We don't want you guys to be. We don't want Ray J to catch
Ray
up.
J said shut up to Darren.
Where you guys going?
They're gonna go all the way down 'cause it's gonna be long, bro. It's gonna be even. Come back. Right there. There. You guys breathe first. Catch your breath.
Breathe out of your nose, man, not your ass.
Alright.
Ready? Ready?
Put your hand out so they can touch it.
Set. Go!
Oh, there you go. Push.
Show respect.